Hello, everybody. This time we will talk about the Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. Paano ba ang sistema ng PCO or Pollution Control Officer Accreditation sa ating bansa? Well, unang-una, kailangan malaman natin kung nasaan tayong jurisdiction, yung ating establishment kung saan located. At meron tayong dalawang office o dalawang government agency na tinitingnan pagpatungkol sa PCO accreditation. When we apply for PCO accreditation, we must know kung tayo ba ay under the jurisdiction of EMB or Environmental Management Bureau or sa Laguna Lake Development Authority. Pagka nag-a-apply tayo ng PCO accreditation sa EMB Regional Office, tayo ay through online through pco.emb.gov.ph. Doon natin sinasubmit ang ating application at yung mga requirements for new application. At sa pag nag-apply tayo ng accreditation, ang filing fee nito ay 500 pesos. At once na ma-approve yung application mo after completing all the necessary requirements, bibigyan ka ng electronic certificate of accreditation valid for 3 years. So kung halimbawa ngayon ay January 17, 2025, na-approve yung ating application, 3 taon na validity period. So mag-e-expire yan ng January 17, 2028. Then after na mabigyan ka ng accreditation, you will now perform the duties and responsibilities of a pollution control officer, particularly yung nasa DAO 2014-02 Section 10 or the duties and responsibilities of an accredited PCO. Kung hindi pa natin nakita yung DAO 2014-02 na department order, doon sa certificate of accreditation kasama na mismo yung ating duties and responsibilities. So it's a certificate of accreditation along with the duties and responsibilities. At yung accreditation na yan, certificate, duly signed ng concerned regional director of EMB Regional Office. So, ilang araw bago mag-expire ang accreditation mo, kailangan i-renew ang accreditation na yan sa EMB Regional Office gamit yung account sa online accreditation system sa pco.emb.gov.ph. So although 3 taon na nakalipas, ganun pa din ang procedure doon pa rin sa online accreditation system. Kaya dapat kabisado pa rin natin yung ating email and password. So when we apply for accreditation, new application or renewal application, dyan lagi sa online accreditation system ng DNR-EMB at magbabayad ng 500 pesos for the issuance of electronic certificate of accreditation. Kung mayroong manually issued na accreditation at ngayon inabot ng pag-renew, ganun din, online pa rin ang application for accreditation. Now, if there will be a finding sa ating application, like if you are representing a company or establishment na may violation, pwedeng ma-reduce yung expiry, yung validity from 3 years to 1 year. On the other hand, if you are located in the Laguna de Bay region, under the jurisdiction ito ng Laguna Lake Development Authority. So you will apply for accreditation bilang Pollution Control Officer personally sa LLDA sa Environmental Compliance Office sa second floor ng LLDA building sa Quezon City, Diliman, Quezon City. And you will be submitting the completed um, PCO application form, Ecoform 03, at magbabayad ka ng 700 pesos para sa Certificate of Accreditation. And walang specified na expiration date yung Certificate of Accreditation, pero kung merong reason na kahit pwedeng isuspend o i-revoke, mali-revoke yun. And kaakibat sa isang accredited pollution control officer ang requirement na pag-attend ng continuing environmental education seminar every year. So once accredited tayo bilang PCO, kailangan nating mag-attend ng continuing environmental education seminar 4 hours yun every year. Now, failure to attend the seminar, yung 4 hour continuing environmental education seminar, kakaroon ito ng effect sa renewal ng discharge permit at may corresponding penalty yon na 5,000 pesos. So, again, we will apply for PCO accreditation sa EMB Regional Office at sa LLDA at magbabayad tayo ng corresponding fee, 500 pesos and 700 pesos for DNR EMB and LLDA respectively. So, dito sa website na pco.emb.gov.ph, dyan tayo sasubmit na application. At sa LLDA naman, we'll be using this LLDA Eco Forms number 03 at sinasubmit natin yung requirements. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng dalawang ito sa DNR EMB Online PCO Accreditation application? Ang procedure dito, pagka nasatisfy mo yung requirements, pagbibigyan ka ng order of payment para sa accreditation certificate. Sa LLDA naman, bago ma-process ito, kasabay ng pag-receive ng application, kailangan makapagbayad na nung application fee sa cashier mismo ng LLDA. Then you will be receiving a certificate of accreditation. Naka-indicate po doon sa receiving copy na application form kung kailan ka babalik para doon sa certificate of accreditation. So yun lamang ang tungkol po sa Pollution Control Officer Accreditation application. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat.